how to set different ringtone for a specific contact on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you set different ringtone for specific people or contact on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the your phone application and from there you'll have to just choose for the contact whom you want to set different ringtone. Alright, so in my case, I have opened and chosen this contact. So after you open the contact, you will get such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option edit just at the top right corner. Alright, so from the edit section, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like ringtone. So simply you have to go that option, and not from this ringtone section. Here is the default ringtone. So from here you can as usual change the ringtone for your specific people. So after you choose one from here, so after you choose one from here, you'll have to just tap on the down option just at the top right corner. Alright, so after you done this, you will be easily able to set a different ringtone for your specific contact on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.